Well, hello, YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we are covering a settlement between a civilian and the Antioch, California Police Department. If you like this type of content and would like to see more content like this, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive right into today's lawsuit settlement. The city of Antioch, California, has agreed to pay $180,000 to settle a complaint with a man who allegedly suffered a concussion and other injuries after officers assaulted him in September 2019. A settlement, which was reached late last year, dismisses a federal lawsuit brought by Antioch resident Miguel Mejerez, who accuses Antioch police of a pattern and practice of using excessive force and misconduct against citizens as a result of an entrenched culture and posture of deliberate indifference towards protecting civilians' rights. The city's lawyers filed court papers dismissing the claims without going into any detail at all. Police in Antioch, California declined to comment on the settlement. Mr. Mejerez, a Hayward Middle School teacher, claimed in the lawsuit that police were called to his house after he asked his adult daughter to leave the house during an argument. In a post on Facebook, Mr. Mejerez claimed police officers assaulted him when he refused to give his ID to the officers, even after they had agreed the event was a civil issue, not a criminal issue. Mr. Mejerez was arrested on charges of resisting arrest. The district attorney for Contra Costa County declined to press charges against him. Mr. Mejerez has a family link to one of Bay Area's most high-profile police killings. His 16-year-old niece, Elena Mondragon, was shot and killed by Fremont police detectives in a pending federal case in 2017. Elena Mondragon was a passenger in a vehicle that allegedly collided with a police car. Rico Tiger, who police believe was involved in multiple armed robberies, has been charged with her murder. Melissa Nold, who is representing Mr. Mejerez, said that the civil complaint will never adequately compensate Mr. Mejerez for the assault and intrusion into his house. However, he is just relieved that the matter is over so that the family can focus on the next trial for his niece Elena Mondragon's officer-involved death, Noah said. Well, YouTube, if you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. If you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit it to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe out there.